Okay, question number 78 from chapter number 18 of H.C. Verma. Two concave mirrors of equal radii of curvature r are fixed on a stand facing opposite directions. The whole system has a mass m and is kept on a frictionless horizontal table. So here we have two concave mirrors. The total system has mass m. It is placed on a smooth surface. Okay. Two blocks A and B, each of mass m, are placed on the two sides of the stand. Here we have block A, block B. They also have mass m. At t equal to 0, the separation between A and mirrors is 2r, and separation between B and the mirrors is also 2r. So this is 2r, this is 2r. The block B moves towards the mirror at a speed v. This is having a speed v. All collisions which take place are elastic. Taking the original position of the mirror's stand system to be x equal to 0, and x-axis along AB, find the position of the image of A and B at t equal to, so time are given over here. Okay. Now first of all, let's solve the option A. So option A is very easy, right? R by V means what? Uh, in time R by V, the block B will cover distance R, so the block B will reach the position R. Okay, block B will reach position R. Block B will be at R. This is x equal to 0 and this is x equal to R. Now since the mirrors have radius how much? What is the radius of the mirror? Radius of curvature of the mirror is R. Okay. So for this concave mirror, the object is at R. That means the image will also be formed at R. So the answer to the first question is x equal to R. Okay. Now we have to look at time 3R by V. Okay. So let's divide the time 3R by V into 2R by V plus R by V. Okay. 2R by V plus R by V. So in time 2r by v, the block B will travel distance 2r and it will collide with the mirrors. Now the funny thing is mirror is not breaking, but that's okay. So the block will collide with the system over here, and since collision is elastic and both of them have same mass, so block B will come to rest and the mirror system will start moving. Okay. So after t equal to 2r by v, B at rest, and mirror have speed how much? V towards left. Okay. So what is happening if we draw the diagram again? Wait. So this is your x equal to 0. So B will be at x equal to 0. B will be at x equal to 0. Okay. Because after collision B comes to rest and mirrors start moving. Okay. So this is what happens at 2r by v, and after 2r by v we want extra r by v. So in the time r by v, since the mirrors have speed v, the mirrors would have traveled a distance r by v. Okay, so the mirrors will be over here at distance r away from the b, and your A is lying over here. Block A is lying over here. Okay, so block A will also be at distance r because block A has original distance 2r from the origin. Correct. So block B is at the distance r from the mirror. So image of block B will be formed at x equal to 0. Okay. So image of B at x equal to 0. And what about image of A? Since a block A is also at distance r from the mirror, so again image will formed at distance r. Object and image will be at the same position. So image of A will be at x equal to minus 2r. Okay. Total distance is minus 2r. Now coming to part C. 5r by v. So 5r by v means what? This is 2r by v plus 2r by v plus r by v. Correct. So at 2r by v, block B comes to rest, mirror starts moving. What happens at extra 2r by v? So in the first 2r by v, B travels from this point up to x equal to 0, and next 2r by v, the mirrors will travel from here up to block A, and then they will collide with A. So after 4r by v, block A will be moving. So we can draw the diagram again. After 4r by v, this is x equal to 0. The block B is lying over here. and this is your block A, sorry, this is the position 2r backwards where the block A was lying initially. Okay, so mirrors are at rest, block B is at rest, and the block A will be moving backward with velocity v, because the mirrors will collide with the block A. The mirrors will come to rest and the block A will start going backwards because of elastic collision. Okay, so this is what happens after 4r by v, but we want to find the picture when time taken is r by v. R by v, sorry, this is r by v. Okay, r by v after second collision. So in time r by v, the block A would have traveled a distance r by v into velocity v, so distance is r. Okay, so the block A is r distance away from the mirror, so the image of block A will also lie at the position of block A. So image of A will be at x equal to minus 3r. This total distance is minus 3r. For the block B, the objected at distance 2r, so where will be the image formed? Okay, so image in case of 2r will be formed at, we need to calculate it. Okay, so for block B, for B, u equal to minus 2r. Okay, f equal to minus uh, r by 2, so 1 by v uh, plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, mirror formula, so 1 by v minus 1 by 2r equal to 2 by minus 2 by r. So 1 by v equal to minus 2 by r plus 1 by 2r. Okay, so what do we get this to be equal to? Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 2r. Okay, so v will be 2r by 3 distance away from the mirror. V will be 2r by 3 distance away from the mirror. This is the position of image. Okay, so this is 2r by 3, this is 2r. So distance from the origin will be how much? 2r minus 2r by 3. So image of B at x equal to 2r minus 2r by 3 will be what? 4r by 3. So x equal to minus 4r by 3. This will be the answer. Okay, clear?